As you may know from some of my past videos, I am bored. So, right now, I will... Ooh, this pizza. There's a big piece of Signora's well, half a piece of Signora's pizza next to me. Signora's have humongous slice. See, this is only half of it. The other half goes, like, down to here. It's a really big piece of pizza. Let me take a bite of that. You're jealous. My mad pizza. I'm gonna turn on some music because I never do a YouTube video without any music. Yo, yo, yo. I'm gonna go into my iTunes account. I'm gonna do a music. Oh yeah, I am girlfriend. Some damn good pizza. Then I'm gonna put on a really good song of my choice. Alright, I'll put on this song because it's... Oh, I like this one better. No, I don't actually. I like this song because I'm a crap. Not really. I hate crap. Even though people call me a crap, which irks the crap out of me. But anyways, alright. Serum Mist. Pepsi. I don't know why no one ever drinks Pepsi at my house. It's wicked good. Okay. And since I'm a G, I'm a G hat. Yo. Back to the tip. Alright, ready? Let's see which one makes me burp more. Drum roll, please. Ta-da. One, two, three, each. That was good one. That was good one. Ready? Okay. There's those. Now there's Pepsi. Pepsi might have exploded. Ooh, you can see the pulsating arm muscle. Ready? That was crappy. That doesn't even count. Forget that. That was a good one. Double. Good point. Alright, obviously the Pepsi works better. That's probably because it's caffeinated. Yeah, more sugar, probably too. Now, what's the difference between Pepsi and Coke? They kind of taste together. Which one's more sugary? Can't put. Yeah. So, when I'm also bored, that's what I do. Peace out. Vote which one's better, even though we obviously know it's Pepsi. And give me some more bored ideas to do, because I am freaking bored.